Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 5th July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are mixed bag and COVID shield. Okay, today we'll discuss the second topic, that is mixed bag, in our video. So before, let's just have a small look on the first topic. COVID shield. The change at the helm in Uttarakhand seems triggered by legal and political obstacles. Okay, means the controlship or the leadership that was going, okay, so that was going in the states like means where all the legal and the political leaderships or the changing of the controls that were taking place in Uttarakhand would seem to be the legal and politics, means going across them, okay, for 4 months nearly. Okay, well, let's get into our topic. Mixed bag. Restoring health for every constituent sector is a must for long-term growth in exports. Means restoring the health of the constituent sectors, it is a long-term process, or it is a long-term growth for the exportations. Okay, India's merchandise exports reached an all-time quarterly high of $95 billion in the 3 months ended June, providing welcome cheer on the economic front. Okay, see here the meaning of the word merchandise. It means goods, commodity, market. Goods, commodity or market. We also can say promote, means go to the next step, right? Promote means we are promoted. For example, they'll say, right, you are promoted. What promoted? You promoted from first class to second class or from 10 to inter. So promoted means going to the next level here. So India's the controlling or the India's accommodative process or the exportations that were reached nearly all the quarters, which were nearly high of $95 billion only in the 3 months, and it is ended in the month of June. Okay, they provided all the economic front, means the economic purposes, they provided everything to them. That the record was notched up during a quarter when the second wave of the pandemic hit its peak, and amid varying degrees of lockdowns is all the noteworthy. Okay, see here the meaning of the word notched up. It means achieve something or win something. Achieve something or win something. Okay, varying, it means disparate, different, diverse or changing. Not divorce, it's diverse. It's diverse. Okay, means the record that has reached, means it has achieved. Okay, this record has achieved more, even in the second wave of this pandemic, in this peak hit times, and it is also in between the degrees of the lockdowns, and it is more worth it to be. Okay, exports last week surged 47% from June 2020 to $32.5 billion. Okay, means exports have now surged, means has taken 47% of the charges from the month of June in the year of 2020, which is to $32.5 billion. $32.5 billion. Even discounting the fact that the year earlier period provided an anomalous base at the economy had just begun reopening from a protracted nationwide. Okay, Well, see here, anomalous. Okay, anomalous, the word, it means abnormal, atypical, or unnatural. Abnormal, atypical, or unnatural. Okay, means here the note means here the whatever we take or whatever the precautions or the facts that the people has been provided was not like, they were not natural, they were based on the reopenings of the nationwide languages or nationwide progressions, not that progressions, mathematics is different. Lockdown growth in shipments was still a robust 30% when compared with the pre-pandemic June of 2019, propelling the surge from the 2019 levels were non-dry cereals, which quadrupled, iron ore, which more than doubled, and organic and inorganic chemicals that rose 62%. Engineering goods exports had the biggest jump in dollar terms, adding $2.73 billion in value, or 42% over June 2019, as raising vaccination coverage and economic recovery in key developed markets, including the EU and the US, bolstered demand. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal was enthused enough by the export performance to posit that shipments of goods to overseas markets could touch the $400 billion mark this fiscal, a figure which, if achieved, would represent an annual record. Okay, see here the word propelled or protracted. Okay, I said right, protracted. It means long, prolonged, or extend, or lengthy. So here in this para we have many meanings to learn. Okay, protracted, it means prolonged, extend, or lengthy, or long. Propelling, it means push, to push someone or to move forward, set in motion. Thrust, not trust, thrust. Bolstered, strengthen, support, reinforce. Strengthen, support, reinforce. Quadrupled, it means multiply by 4. Okay, quadrupled, it means multiply by 4, means quadrilateral. Do you remember? So it has all the 4 sides. Quadrilateral, all the quadrilateral figures has the 4 sides. So multiply by 4. Remember, easy. Posit, postulate, put forward, advance. Postulate, it means put forward or advance. Well, trade data, however, reveals that a significant driver of the export growth has been the runaway rally in commodity prices that have benefited from the accelerated reopening of major economies, as well as an increased appetite for raw materials and grains in China. On the other hand, the crucial job generating export sectors, including ready-made garments, leather and leather products, and tea, all posted double-digit declines from June 2019 levels, reflecting the deeper structural problems that dog each one of them. If the tea industry has been facing a long-term downtrend exacerbated by inadequate product and tenure, the leather goods segment has been put on the ropes by a combination of short-sighted policy measures. WTO mandated withdrawal of export incentives and a pandemic-induced slowdown in orders. For a segment that provides a larger scale, thrown the sector's very viability into question. with the government dragging its feet on notifying the rates applicable under the remission of duties and taxes on export products, RODTEP. Okay, remission of duties and taxes on export products scheme. Exporters are still unsure of how to price their products while bidding for orders. A container shortage and heightened congestion have also sent freight rates out of Indian ports soaring. Policymakers need to look beyond the expedite action to restore the health of all the every constituent sector of the long-term growth in exports is to be ensured. Okay, see, let's just have a look of these words meanings. Like exacerbate, it means worsen, annoy or inflame. The situation has been exacerbated, means the situation has been worsened. Okay. Imposing, big and important, impressive. Imposing, big and important, impressive. Viable or doable. Workable, feasible or operable. Viable means workable, feasible, operable. Expedite, speed up, accelerate or hasten. Expedite means speed up, accelerate or hasten. Okay, this is our today's topic. Thank you.